7 right, Southwest 4000. 1, Bravo, low, or Kilo Bravo, runway 19 left, 19 right. Southwest 3047 will be back right. Milwaukee, American 7833, 14,000, across good and 12,250 knots, Bravo. American 1733, Milwaukee, appropriated Charlie's no apparent, altimeter 2997, expect visual approach, runway 7 right. 2997, we'll get started, American 1733. Descend and maintain 7,000, 29,000, 7,000, 679.